Father, what is troubling you? You look worried. What is troubling the great Igede? Father, please talk to me.
I shall speak no further. Fetch Olamma, your sister, for me.
Very well, the great Igede. My beautiful sister, the most beautiful goddess, I greet you.
Eche, you're full of my praises this afternoon. What do you want?
The great Igede demands your presence.
I'll be right back.
Let's continue.
Father, you sent for me. You look troubled. What troubles the great Igede?
Olamma, he is in trouble.
He's in trouble. Who is in trouble? I don't understand.
The young man who saved you from the human world several seasons ago.
Oh, Ugo?
He is indeed in trouble.
Oh, Father, please. Father, please don't let anything happen to him. Don't let them hurt him, please.
I have already decided that I am going to help him.
Okay.
There is a bond that started to exist between you both from the very moment he saved you. You have to go to him. You have to be with him. I can only save him, but that must be to you.
Very well, Father. I will do whatever it takes to save him.
Olamma, this is our boundary with the human world. And this is where I am going to leave you to continue on the rest of the journey. I know you are not going to forget all I have taught you as a goddess.
Yes, Father. I won't.
Always remember, fall back to me if you encounter any problem. And you know I will always be here to guide and protect you. Step forward.
At how beautiful you all look. I am very happy to have this beautiful family. Look at my two handsome brothers with their beautiful wives beside them. You're looking so gorgeous. So elegant. I wish it was possible for us to have more than one king in this kingdom. It would have been so sweet because you both look like a king and you have the attributes of a king. You know, when I realize that I have people like you by my side, I feel on top because nobody can challenge me.
Oh my God! Snake! Snake! Kill it now! I'm used to kill it! Kill the snake now! Kill it! Snake! Snake! My prince! My prince! Oh my God! Kill it! Kill it now! Kill it! Kill it! My prince! I saw it! It's very big!
What? You saw what?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry. I saw it on the throne. A very big snake. Ah! On the throne.
Snake?
It's very big. On the throne. I saw it.
Snake on the throne?
Yes, it's very big.
We have to
very big.
Yeah.
Kill it now, kill it. What? Snake! Snake! What's going on? What are you doing? Stop it! Stop it!
What are you trying to do?
Now?
That thing is a snake and it's very dangerous.
It's just a harmless snake. And I'm not afraid of it because it is for peace. Olama, what is it? Do you want to die? Are you not scared? There is nothing to be scared of. Yes! The snake will only harm you if you are not clean. Most times, they come to pass a message.
That will be in another kingdom and not in this kingdom. Because we do not worship snake here. So God, remove that snake on my father's throne!
Don't touch it. Stop it. You guys stop! What are you doing? Stop! Get that snake out of my father's throne!
Take the back of the throne if it is there! Take the back of the throne!
What the quevo? What the quevo? Hey! Hey! I don't know.
My sister, how can a snake appear on the throne just like that and disappear?
I don't know.
That was very mysterious.
I'm telling you, I've been trying so hard to solve this mystery behind a snake appearing on the throne. I swear by the gods, this is not ordinary. It is not. And there is more to it. There is more to it.
Oh, yeah?
There is more to it. And it's not an ordinary snake. If you look at water, hey! Look, like Olama said, this snake has come to pass a message. And a man there is open people. I will not be
exactly.
there.
Considering the way it vanished in front of everybody.
Oh,
wonder shall never end.
Wait! So you would have touched that snake if I had not stopped you?
There was nothing wrong with it. It's just a harmless creature.
You amaze me. Where did you get in mind from? Nkem.
I want to ease myself and first. I'll be right back, okay?
Nkem.
Your Majesty, what do we call this? Snake on the royal stool?
Oh no, I'm as surprised as you are. Eh? What happened?
Lolo.
My king.
Snake on the royal throne.
Snake?
Yes. The gods be praised. Ezemo is here. Ezemo. A snake on the royal stool of Ukpolo Kingdom. Please, what do we call this?
There's no cause for alarm, my king. The snake mean no harm. Rather, a sign of consolidation of him that comes after you.
After me?
Yes, my king. He is your offspring. He shall be great and mighty, for he has found favor in the sight of the snake goddess.
Ezemo. The king has only 2 sons, born on the same day. Which of them are you talking about?
That I cannot say, but in due time, the gods shall reveal. I take my leave.
Lolo, Your Majesty. That mortals can kill does not mean they are going to kill the one who is under the protection of the gods. Ugochukwu is like a son to me, and permanently. He is under my protection. If they come against him from the left, he is going to escape from the right. And if they come against him from the right, he is going to escape from the left. And if they shall come against him from everywhere, he is going to develop wings like an eagle and fly away. Sing. Got it. And I am sending everything, all your plans, back to the sender.
Father.
Beautiful daughter of mine.
You're already here. Father, I was coming to seek your advice.
You don't need to come seeking for my advice because you are equipped to succeed in that world.
Father, things have gotten so bad that I don't think...
Speak no more. I need you to go back and continue the wonderful work you are already doing. And I want you to understand it. That failure is not registered anywhere in your blood. Step forward.
No, everything.
Don't want. Do?
What is it? Huh? Who is after you? Ogene! Sorry. What now? Olama. Snake. Olama. What do you mean?
I saw Olama. I saw Princess Olama. Walking towards that bush party. I noticed her movement was suspicious. So I followed her.
Why you?
So I followed her. To know what she's up to. She got to a tree and hid behind it. When I moved closer to the tree, I didn't see her again. Immediately I turned. I saw a very big snake standing erect before me. Very big.
Chimo, Another snake?
Yes. Exactly the same snake that appeared on the throne.
Yes. What could this snake be looking for? You
are asking me. I used to...
Greetings, Princess Olama.
Oh no, Christian. Adikonama.
Shut up! Was it not the same person you said you saw in a big tree? Huh? Shut up! If not again, I'll go out to you. Look, don't ever involve me in your discussion again. I'll go out to get a problem now.
Get one more. Chimo! Chimo, wake up! Chalumo, wait for me.
Okay, stop. Just stop. Stop.
Tell me why I should stop.
Stop. You put me in the mood.
Well, that is what I hope to achieve by putting you in the mood so we can, you know now.
Not now. Not now.
When then?
Okay. I want to remain a virgin until that fateful day you're pronounced the crown prince. I want it to be a special gift on that fateful night. Is it not more honorable that way?
That is a very beautiful idea.
Good.
I've never thought towards that.
That's why you have me. To think for you.
Anya ụtụtụ.
Ugo.
Oji ugo a na-awalụ ndị eze.
O si na nwata bụla eze.
Ọla m.
Di m ọma.
Ọla mma m. Ọla nwa m. Ọla nnukwu ọla m. Ọla asanje mọnụ. Ọla ugo dị ya anyị. Ọla.
Ugo, ezigbo di m ọma, ugo m ji m ọnụ, ugo m ji je mba, ugo.
Ọla njeku, ọla dị na-asa nke m, ọla asa mpete nwanyị ọma, ọla. You are so brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
So I wait.
Yes, we'll wait. So, let's go. Before someone sees us.
Sit with me.
The Ezemo just left the palace. And he said that your father, the king, will announce the heir apparent to the throne soon.
That is good to hear.
Good to hear. Henceforth, you have to start carrying yourself as a king. Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to start behaving like a king in waiting. Because I know you are the one the king will announce.
Mother, how are you sure the king will announce me? Because he hasn't said anything about who is senior between Ugochukwu and I.
Son, I forbid you from saying what you just said. Even Ugochukwu's late mother knew you are the first son of the king. Like I said earlier, you have to start carrying yourself as a king. You must carry yourself as a king. Even Ugochukwu and his wife have started rehearsing songs. So I don't know about you and you.
Mother is right.
I overheard them singing. Very well then, we shall see. My husband must sit on that throne no matter what.
You know, yeah?
Mother, you have spoken well,
Thank you.
and I promise to heed your words. Thank you for calling my attention to this. For I am His Royal Majesty, Egwundeze one, Namangu Kingdom. Jamumamiri one.
That's the spirit. That is the son of his mother talking.
Hey, stop there. One more step from you, I'll make sure your head is separated from your shoulders.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Come here. How dare you? Huh? How dare you walk past me without greeting?
I'm sorry, my prince.
The next time you walk past me without greeting me properly, I will make sure that I banish you and your entire family off this village. Have I made myself clear?
Come on, brother. She greeted everyone while she was passing.
Hey, do not talk when I'm talking. And as for you, fool, greet me properly.
May you live long, your majesty.
Now you're talking.
I was just passing on my own. I saw them and I decided to greet them. He said I did not greet him. And he slapped me.
Which of the prince did that to you?
Who else? Prince Egu. I knew it. Why is he that wicked? Why would he slap you like that?
That prince, I hate him, eh? I pray that the gods will not allow him to be the chosen one.
I heard the two princes were born at the same time. They don't know which one is older than the other.
Nkechi, I'm so sorry. Do you hear me? Sorry, oh, okay. Sorry.
For this slap he gave me, he will never ascend the throne.
He say...
He will not, he doesn't deserve that throne.
Yeah?
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
I'm sorry, yeah?
Oh, yeah, now. Why are they this wicked? Especially that prince. I don't like him either.
Obim, what was the meaning of that melodrama that happened out there?
What melodrama?
Hey? Don't tell me you don't remember what just happened out there. Your brother shunned you when you tried to put him through. And he was bragging to be the next king of this kingdom. Or is it the heir apparent to the throne?
Kim, why are you bothered about that? Our father, the king, has not decided who amongst us is going to succeed him.
But he was bragging as if he was so sure that he would be the one to succeed your father.
Only him knows where he got that ego from.
I still think you should try and find out if your father in any way pronounced him the next heir to the throne.
Not at all. As a matter of fact, none of us knows who will succeed our father. Kim, please don't let this bother you. Because it means nothing to me. It is the gods that decides, not even our father.
Anyway, if that's how you feel, it's okay. So, On a lighter note, let me go and make you your dinner.
Nkem, don't bother about that. The cook knows what to do.
What?
She will prepare my meal.
No. I already told you that I like preparing your meals. For reasons best known to me. I like preparing your meals. I will go right now and make your meal.
Very well then. You can go ahead.
All right. See you soon.
I'm listening.
All right, mother. I heard that the tortoise is a very wise animal.
Mother. Oh, my mother.
Son.
Mother, you needed to see what happened today.
What happened?
You needed to see the way I showed off as the king in the making. Mother, there was this maiden that was passing by. And she didn't greet me properly as the heir apparent. I made her do it the hard way. Even Ugochukwu tried talking to me. And I shunned him as the king.
So, what was his reaction?
Mother, he didn't say anything. Actually, he respected himself. Because I was ready to give it to him there.
Of course, he shouldn't have said anything because he knows the truth.
Of course, Mother.
Mm-hmm.
That is the truth. As I was saying, Mother, there was this maiden that was passing by. I called her back and I gave her the insult of her life. I told her that the next time she walked past me without greeting me properly, that I'm going to banish her and her entire family of this kingdom. Did you know what she said? Greetings, Your Majesty.
Odogunwam. Eh? Egwu ndị eze nke izizi.
Amụma mmiri.
Indeed, you are the king in waiting.
Mother, you said my husband is going to be the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom.
My son is the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Or does anyone have a problem with it?
Mother, I overheard Olama asking her husband if truly my husband is the next king of this kingdom. And then her husband said he doesn't know where my husband got this from, where all of this is coming from. And then the king has not decided who will be the heir apparent to the kingdom.
The truth is that your husband and Ugochukwu were born the same day, the same time, the same hour, the same everything. So nobody can actually say this person is older than the other one. But the truth is, I am the first wife of the king, and automatically my son becomes the heir apparent to the throne of the kingdom.
Very well then. Now I have peace of mind. I'm relaxed.
Odogunwam. Nke izizi.
Amụma mmiri.
Nke izizi. Odogwu ka ịbụ nwa m. Your Majesty, you sent for us.
Yes, it shall be well with you.
I want everyone here to listen and listen good. I have noticed a lot of things has been going wrong in this palace for the past days now. And I want you to stop and stop immediately.
Father, what is it? You have me as your warrior son. And I will tackle anything that bothers my father, the AEC one of Ologun. Talk to us. What is the problem?
Yes. I have been noticing the cold war between you and your brother Ugochukwu about who becomes the heir apparent of this great kingdom. Now I want to make it clear about who become my successor.
Your Majesty, you have a warrior son who has been building himself for this exercise. I'm sure he will make a wonderful king. And the whole...
Keep quiet. Now everybody listen. I have not chosen who become the heir apparent of this great kingdom. It will be announced by the chief priest on my 4th Ofala Eve, which is next month. Both of you, we are born the same day, the same minute, and the same hour. Now you have seen it all. Nobody can tell between both of you who is older, except the gods, because they have their own way of deciding.
Oh, Your Majesty, as the first wife, my son should be the crown prince.
Watch your mouth, woman. Being the first wife of this great kingdom don't have anything to do with this matter. Like I said, the heir apparent of this great kingdom will be announced by the chief priest on the eve of my Ofala day. I don't want to discuss about this matter again. This meeting is over.
Your Majesty, please.
Leave. I want to be left alone.
Thank you, Father.
I said lift. Leave.
Yes. Everyone has known their stand. No one knows who will be the heir apparent to the throne, just like I told you.
Exactly. Your brother's ego as the king to be has been put to rest. But Obim, did you see the desperation in his eyes?
Okay. What do you expect from a man who was misinformed? He was acting based on the information his mother gave him, so don't blame him.
Those people are dangerous. They don't mean well for you. They are your enemies. You need to be very careful with them.
Okay, they cannot be my enemies just because of the throne. They are my family.
Why are you defending them? Those people don't take you the way you take them. You need to be very careful.
Okay, there is nothing to be careful of. They cannot harm me.
Do you think I'm joking?
Nkem, you have nothing to worry about. We are one family.
I will not contest my throne with anybody. Mother, the throne is mine, and mine alone. I am the first son of the first wife. That makes the throne mine, mother. Am I not right?
Very so, my son. You're very correct. You are the heir apparent to the throne, whether your father, the king, likes it or not.
Mother, I think the king is not fair with his judgments. Because it's obvious that he loves Prince Ugo. Prince Ugo is his favorite. That's why he got biased with his judgments.
One thing I will not do is to sit down and watch someone take something that rightfully belongs to my son. Ugochukwu will not take that position the way his mother took my husband from me. It's not possible.
From the look of things, the king will definitely make Prince Ugo the heir apparent. So we need to act fast. We have to do something about it.
Mother, what are we going to do? Because we cannot afford to lose that throne.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked. Tibua, he will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. Tibua, he will not see tomorrow.
Greetings, my husband.
Greetings, my beautiful wife. You're welcome to my heart.
Thank you. My husband, I made food for you. Your favorites. I know you will love it. I specially prepared this for you.
That is very thoughtful of you. Thank you very much for this kindness.
It's nothing. It's nothing. We are one family. You know that. I love you, my husband. Let me get your water for you.
May the gods bless you.
This is your water. My husband, please enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, my husband.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Masere.
Hey,
Ezibunye wanne nwoke.
hey, my husband.
A woman with a good heart. Thank you.
Look, this food is specially for you. I made it with all my heart. Enjoy yourself. I'll take my leave. That is it.
Hi.
Hi. Enjoy your meal, my husband.
Thank you.
All right.
Hey. Wow. Nice. Income! Give me water!
What is it? What did you eat?
Masere! Masere! She brought me food!
It's okay. Obim. Obim. No. Obim. 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 Obim, wait. No. 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 Obim, wake up. Wake up. Obim! Obim! Ah! Obim! Obim! No! No! Ah! I'm not sorry! Ah! Obim! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Maseri! My husband! Obim! Obim!
Nkem.
Obim!
Nkem, what is it? Why are you shouting?
I just had a terrible dream.
Dream?
Yes.
What is it all about? Please, come and sit. Please tell me what the dream is all about.
Masiri poisoned your food. And you ate it. And died. And all of a sudden, she started jubilating with her husband.
May the gods forbid. Kim, that was just a dream and nothing more. Dreams are most times a result of extravagant information. Maybe because you feel unsafe and uncomfortable with them, and that is why you are having these dreams.
No, Bim. That was not just a dream. It is more like a vision. My dreams are infallible, and it must come to pass. Obim, stop doubting the reality of this dream. The dream says it all. These people are very dangerous and they are planning to kill you.
Kim, stop! Stop! Stop trying to sow this bad seed in my heart against my own brother. Do you want me to start seeing them as my enemies?
They are your enemies. Except the princess. Have it at the back of your mind. Because of your life. I don't want to lose you.
Kim, you are not going to lose me. Please, for now, can we end this conversation?
Why are you not listening to me?
I am not going to listen to you because it is not going to happen. These people are my family.
Go to Prince Ugochukwu's hut. Tell him the Queen Mother seeks his attention right now.
Yes, my princess.
Go immediately! Where are you going? Come here! Why are you acting confused? Go to his hut!
All I can see.
Just imagine how stupid she is.
All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself.
My love.
Yes.
Do you know why I love you so much?
No. Tell me, my king.
After I lost my beloved mother to the cold hands of death, nobody has filled the vacuum her death created like you did. I wonder what my life would have become without you. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
I always call you the king of my heart. Because you rule my world. You are the light that shines in my world. I couldn't have asked for silver, gold, or even diamond. Because you're better than them all.
Kim. Kim.
Greetings. Greetings.
Greetings, Mbweke.
My friends, the Queen Mother sent for you.
Very well. Tell her that I will be with her shortly.
Very well, my prince.
Obim, are you going to see the Queen?
Yes, she sent for me. I have to go and know why she wants to see me.
I am not comfortable with you going there.
Kim.
That woman is evil.
Kim, you've started. I've warned you to be careful of this bad seed you are trying to sow in my family.
Me? Sow a bad seed in your family? So I'm now the bad person. Okay, no problem.
Kim, that is not what I'm saying. I'm just trying to tell you to be mindful of the words you use. There is power in spoken words.
You're a man. Suit yourself.
Come with me, my love.
No, I'm not coming.
My love, why are you behaving like this?
I said go. I'm not coming with you.
Very well then. I will go alone. And I will be back shortly.
Just be careful.
I will.
My brother.
My brother.
You have your seat.
Thank you. Mother.
Son.
You sent for me.
Yes, I did. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
Alright, ma.
Your brother told me how he spoke to you the other day and I did not like it. So I called you to apologize to you and for both of you to make peace.
Brother, I'm really sorry for the way I spoke to you. Forgive me.
I have already forgotten about everything.
Oh.
Yes.
You have a beautiful heart.
Indeed.
Well, I prepared something for both of you to eat and make peace while I go to the palace.
Thank you, mother.
Prince Ugo, Obi, let me go and get the palm wine.
Very well. Go fast.
Okay, I'll be
I
right
want to
back.
entertain my brother. My only brother.
Yes.
Oh, my brother. Get hurry.
Oh, my husband. Check. My husband. This is for you, please.
Thank you, Omasiri.
You're welcome.
That's the way I like it.
My favorite.
My prince, you can eat. It's all yours.
Thank you.
Oh, my husband. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
My prince, it's all for you.
Don't go close! Kill the snake! Shoot! Kill!
Mother,
What happened?
did you see any snake?
Which snake? No, snake. No, I heard some noise from the palace.
Yes.
What happened?
Mother, we were about eating. Before we knew it, a snake appeared here. The same snake!
Appeared?
Yes!
What are we going to call this now?
Mother, this is the second time that same snake keeps appearing and disappearing. We don't know what it is.
What does that snake represent?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. Obim, I want to see you now.
All I can see is wickedness.
Excuse me, please.
All I can see is evil mind.
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man.
I don't care what it means. I don't care what that snake represents. The next time I see this snake here, I'm going to shoot it to shreds.
Obim, calm down, please. Please.
Why did you not shoot it when you saw it?
What is this sudden appearance of snake in the palace again, eh? It's your
This is the second time of that. What is this snake even looking for? That snake is not at me. I'll be so good. That is your soul. She's not an ordinary person. I can continue with her. Hi! Yes. Are you trying to say my snake? Yes, me too! I think so. Going by what I told you.
You can't be too sure. You can't be too sure.
Are you not smart enough? Can't you see the way she walked into the palace immediately to sleep? Do you believe me now?
You might be right though. You might be right. But Olama, she looks harmless and friendly. And that makes it difficult for me to believe you.
Looking harmless and friendly has nothing to do with it. There is something mysterious about her. Leave me alone. There is something mysterious about her. Yes. Oh, there is something.
Look, you're taking this too far. You're taking this too far. Look at me. I come there. There. Oh, solo. This is your gossip. And I am not involved though in this discussion. A full of one. Asele anakoe. Asele. Stay here. Asele every time you're talking.
I know what I saw. Yes, Mom, she's a snake.
Nkem, why did you call me out?
I heard noise. Why were you people shouting? And you? You look worried. Is anything the matter?
I was just about eating with my brother. And that same snake that showed up at the throne room showed up again.
That's a bad omen.
Yes! And I keep wondering why this same snake keeps showing up.
The snake is not a bad snake. The snake came to rescue you.
Snake came to rescue me? How do you mean?
You're very stubborn. I keep telling you that those people are not good people. They are evil.
Can you go straight to the point and stop beating around the bush?
Is it not obvious that there was something wrong with the food you were about to eat? Or you want me to tell you that there was poison in the food you were about to eat so that you accuse me of sowing a bad seed in your heart?
Okay, are you trying to tell me that my food was poisoned?
I did not say your food was poisoned. Use your tongue to count your teeth.
You are just unbelievable.
Why is he so stubborn? Why does he not listen to me?
Mother, are we going to sit and watch Prince Ugochukwu take victory home?
Of course not. we are not going to relent. We will do everything in our power to make sure we bring him down.
Does any of you have any plan?
Yes, mother. I have a plan.
Okay.
When an antelope decides to change its running style, the hunter also will change his shooting pattern.
All I can
So what's the plan all about?
see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked.
As you can see, this is where I kill my victims. Once I bring them to this place, I roll it up like this. Once this is done, I try as much as I can to play my victim to this point. And once that my victim is standing around this place, I'll have no other option than to push the victim into this hole, filled with dangerous weapons. And instantly, the person will die because none of my victims has ever fallen into this pit and come out alive. The person dies instantly.
That's good. I shall come with my brother tomorrow.
It's alright. Once you can be able to bring your brother to this place, leave the rest for me. Because I'll try my best to make sure I push him into this hole.
That's a good plot. After this deal is done, you shall have your remaining balance.
Thank you, my prince. One more thing. Please, my prince, do ensure that you come to this place tomorrow with your brother without the guards. Because that is the only way we can be able to make this a secret.
That will be impossible. Because it will look suspicious telling my brother to escort me to your place without the guards.
What do we do then? Because with the presence of the guards around us, we cannot be able to make this assignment a secret.
Then I'll tell them to wait outside.
That sounds so funny, my prince. After this deal is done, you and I know that your brother will be gone. What will you tell them that happened to your brother?
I will kill them all before I leave this place.
Except that. In that case, consider it done.
I shall see you tomorrow.
Farewell, my prince.
May the God save the powerless. May the God save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no the python. Obodo no the snake is here.
Obim, why are you not listening to me? Eh? I know what I'm saying. Oh. You have to be careful of these people.
Greetings, my brother.
My good brother, Egu. What brought you to my heart? Please, sit with us.
No, I don't have more to say. Actually, I'm here for you to accompany me to go see my friend, Obidiozo. He's going through so much pain at the moment.
I hope all is well.
All is well by the gods. It's just that his wife ran away with his children.
Ah, gods of our land. Why?
for no reason.
This is not a good story. So has he gone to her father's house to search for her?
My brother, he has searched for her everywhere. But she's nowhere to be found. That is why I'm here. For you to accompany me to go sympathize with him.
There is no problem about that. So when do you want us to go?
Tomorrow will be fine.
Very well then. Tomorrow I shall come with you.
That's my brother. Thank you.
Thanks be to the gods.
I shall take my leave now.
It's alright. My brother Egu. Okay. Nuku mother.
Obim. Obim. I don't trust this movement. I'm still telling you to be careful of these people. They are evil.
Quiet. Just keep quiet.
Obim, how did it go? Did he accept to go with you?
Of course. He accepted to go with me.
Good one. He will not escape this time around.
Son, do not leave any trace.
I won't, mother.
Yes. I cannot wait to hear about his end. He's just a thorn in our flesh.
He is a threat to our future. But his end has come.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate.
No! No!
Nkem!
No.
Nkem! Is everything alright?
Obim, I beg you in the name of the gods, stay away from your brother. I smell doom in your path.
Kim, why are you always worried for nothing?
I'm not worried for nothing. His heart is evil. He does not mean well for you.
I don't understand why you hate these people so much. What wrong have they done to you?
I don't hate them. I am not comfortable with the way their heart is against you. I'm only worried for your life. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Kim, nothing will happen to me. Alright? I can take care of myself. Kim. Kim, why are you behaving this way?
I don't want you to go anywhere with your brother. He doesn't mean well for you.
Alright. Even if my brother has an evil plan against me, how would he be able to carry it out while we are with the guards? Because we are going with the guards.
Even at that, the guards cannot stop him.
My love, you don't have any proof that my brother has an evil plan against me. I hope you know that. Just let these thoughts out of your mind. Alright? I can take care of myself. Nothing will happen to me. I have to be with my brother now because he's waiting for me. Please be good. I'll be back shortly.
May the gods save the powerless. May the gods save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands.
brother, I'm sorry for delaying you.
It's okay, brother. Can we go now?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
May the land of the spirit give us help in this world.
That which is mightier than Inter has entered into Inter's hall is not a reason for Inteno to put up a resistance. Wherever you are, wherever you are firing from, show yourself. Reveal yourself to me. No. No! Sing! Sing!
My brother,
Prince Egu.
Obidiozo.
My prince, welcome once again.
You know you're my very good friend. Me and my brother came here to spend some good time with you. Especially now that your wife has left you.
Once again, I really appreciate. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
You know, since my wife left my hut, it has been me and me alone doing all the domestic activities. I go to the farm, I do the washing, I do the cooking, I do the cleaning all by myself. It hasn't been easy. For you, my wonderful friend, to remember me, I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Prince Ugo, to be sincere with you, I'm very happy to have you around. You know, this is your first time of visiting my place. So, please, would you mind have a seat while I run around and get a seat for Prince Egu to sit on?
Very well.
You're welcome, my friend.
Speak! Hey! Speak!
My prince, help me! Somebody help me! Because of our land. Hey, Okanti.
was here!
Where?
It was here, it was here!
Let us go!
Hey!
Let's go!
Omasiri is very sick, and from the look of things, she's going to die, and they're already suspecting me.
Why do you always forget who you are? The power to heal is already with you. Why must you always rush back to me for everything?
Father, is it not better for her to die?
Olamma, you don't have to forget that your mission is that of love. And anyone who is embarking on the mission of love, no matter the provocation, must always show love. You have to heal her. Heal her to show supremacy over her. It is only by healing her that you are going to stamp yourself. And I want you to stamp yourself.
She is very stubborn, my father.
And you need that supremacy to stamp yourself. You are going to go back. On your way back, I am going to give you the idea of what you are going to do to heal her.